Hello, my name is Ester Polak, Academic Director of ALMER, Latin American Association of Reproductive Medicine. First of all, I would like to thank the IFFS for giving us this space to disseminate our activity and wish them the best success in this Congress. The objective of ALMER is to contribute to the advance and progress of reproductive medicine in all aspects, in the regional field and with a worldwide impact. ALMER gathers professionals dedicated to reproductive health and other related disciplines from most Latin American countries, and also keep permanent exchanges with opinion leaders of the rest of the world. Its predecessor was FLACEF, created contemporaneously with the IFFS in the 50s decade. In 2008, ALMER was created. And in 2015, its legal and executive headquarters was set up in Buenos Aires, Argentina. We have already carried out more than 70 meetings with prestigious professionals of different subjects about reproductive medicine. Since March 2020, and as a consequence of the pandemic, ALMER intensified its continuous educational program virtually, leading virtual congresses in the Latin American region. We have different compromises of scientific exchange with most Latin America's reproductive medicine societies, as well as IFFS, Ester, ASRM, MEFS, FIGO, among others. In these years, we have also convened other experts and leaders effectuating the Summit of the 20 in 2020 and also in 2021 with encouraging results. During 2020, we focused on collaborate, disseminate, and update the needed guidelines to face the pandemic. In 2021, we chose to refer to the future in reproductive medicine. For this, we counted with challenging subjects and distinguished speakers. For this year, we chose a subject, assisted fertilization treatments, as a family planning method, trying to define tendencies in prevent and anticipate infertility. To study in more details and contact us, you can visit our website or the different social networks. I would like to thank again the IFFS and your attention, and send my wishes and health and peace in earth. Every 2 years, ALMER is chaired by a member of the Latin American region. The current president is Dr. Carlos Salazar from Mexico, who will address a few words.
Hi, dear colleagues from IFFS. This is Carlos Salazar, the Executive President of ALMER, the Latin American Society of Reproductive Medicine, in the period 2021-2023. It's a pleasure for me to share with you a few words. Our great association groups the Latin American countries that are interested in fertility problems that affect our patients. We share experiences with important groups like Red Lara and other fertility societies worldwide. We are very glad to participate in this important society, and we are sure that these efforts to share knowledge and experiences will be very important and relevant for us and for our patients as well. Best regards, and we wish you success in this and future meetings. Bye-bye. Thank you.